Best herbs for skincare. What could be better than rose? Appealing fragrant, full of nutrition and skin healing vitamins. Applying rose water on skin improves color complexion. During it helps remove blemishes and pimple on the skin. Quick rose water tip. Drink 2 teaspoons rose water in a glass of water, empty stomach in the morning for curing pimples. Saffron is not limited to add biryani, ara, sharbat recipe. It is a complement for skin. Saffron cures different skin problems, makes it glowing and purify the blood. Quick saffron tip. Make a saffron paste with water and apply on skin spots. Turmeric is extensively used for beauty. It can be used in multiple ways to gain benefit for the skin. Mix it with gram flour and sandalwood powder. Form a paste and apply on the skin. This will remove spots and make skin glowing and shiny. Taking turmeric regular with milk also helps treat various skin problems.